partner ko. Okay, another wrong. Second floor pala. Beautiful! I got burger! I got burger! And you got here? Wow. This is from Paris University. 22 nga mo nga graduation. So, see you! We are back at West because tomorrow is our ribbon cutting for our graduation. And my classmates are here and the other batches. How's life? Yung naka-earphones ka pero narinig mo ako.
Pinaisipan. 11.
Oh my gosh, grabe. Namin o. Approve man. Oh, yun o.
Oo, i-approve na po.
Bakit mo kinuha yung partner ko? Ha? Kaya pa?
Exhibit dire sarong.
Yay, we're done. Kayo. Gutom na kayo. Ate Mayo ah. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow ha? Tomorrow. Sa buwas, syempre. Ha? Mga kabang-bang, may gusto mag-sponsor na sa mong burger. See you tomorrow. Ara kami sa SM. So, SM. Ara kami sila sa Robuas. See you tomorrow sa Bro. Bye! Yay! Yes naman, finally, mag-exhibit na po tayo sa Harrow Robinson's Place. There you go! Yay! Woo! Nag-graduate na ako! Soon siya ng, magiging student this year. Alright! Bye! Yay! We will be having our opening of the exhibit at the 3rd floor here at Robinson's Harrow. Okay guys, ground floor kami pala. My bad! Okay, another wrong. Second floor pala. Pagpapagan mo ito, preferabla. Ay, grabe siya. Aura. Ay, bakit may ganun? I don't like this. May pa-holding hands. Hanap tayo ng solo fly. Ayun. Hi! Let's welcome my classmate. Piyak siya nga batch. Anthony. So, ano mo nga best gid nga na-learn?
Lighting since advanced na ang amo na pan. So, damo ko may na-learn tungkol sa lighting sa paano mag-set up, ano ang angle gamitin yung angle sa lightings, diin ang sakto nga posisyon para maka-create ka sa namin nga output sa imong nga picture sa tungod sa lightings.
Yes, ayun no, even na amateur ka man or practitioner ka na, professional ka na, lain igaya ang ma-learn, may additional kita yung makuha din no sa may West Extension. Photography class, basic and advanced. So there you go! Yes, mga kabangbang, we have here our sister, so she will be visiting all the photos and I'll be asking her which photo does she feels like winning the first place. So we have 3 categories in the advanced photo, We have shapes and lines. Then we have street photography. And the third one is nakalimutan ko na illusions. Ayun, illusions. Yung flowers is macro sa basic. So, I'll let you judge for the advance kasi baka pagalitan ako ng mga basic students. So,
Judge us, sad buds.
are you ready for the challenge?
Go!
Yes! Alam mo na, the scrutinizing judging area is now on. The judges is them. We have another here, Rochelle from the basic photography. Ano yung mga learning, git nga makahambal mo nga bitbiton mo git para mag-study ka for the advanced photography.
Hindi ako hilig sa mag-picture, pero gin-try ko mag-sulot sa basic photography para madama ko masinta.
So you are really eager to learn, no? And actually, same time, hindi man ko into photos, pero since the-vlog ako and I really need the skill sa photography, it really helped me build my confidence nga ay, nasa right path ako, and I tell you, you are in the right path. I suggest you take the advanced photography pero kay Anthony Kagina, biskan practitioner na siya, damo pag siya may na-learn sa aton na class. So thank you so much, Rochelle! Bye everyone! How do you describe your experience?
Beautiful!
How do you describe your experience with our basic workshop?
It was a wonderful experience. I've learned a lot from basic. And of course, I earned new friends.
Wow! Ano pang one word lang, ma'am? Exciting! Enjoying, exciting, and wonderful. Definitely kakabali, ma'am. It's beautiful. Alright, thank you. We got water, and eto yung hinihintay ko para makauwi na tayo. Johnny! Hey, so are you ready to tell us which photo you like the most? Yeah. Okay, come on.
Bali sa illusion number 7.
Illusion number 7.
Tapos sa street photography, 16.
Street photography is 16.
Ang siya patterns, nagpili ko sa 14 versus 21.
14 versus 21 for patterns. Okay. So, there you go. That's the top 3 picks, top 4 picks of my sister. And I am inviting you all. Once again, we are here at Robinson's Harrow, 2nd floor. So, visit us. And yeah, see you on our graduation. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimti. Ruby Inspired!